Hello guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you my AI content creators how to make use of Google AI Studio, the Nanobananaai edition, to make money online. I know that you are here because you want to make money with this Nanobananaai that is going on, and that exactly is what I'm actually going to be talking on today's video. A full but short tutorial, so stick with me from start to the finish, because trust me, you don't want to miss out on making money online. And now we know that AI is here in our faces. You cannot escape it. You can just make use of AI to automate a lot of process for you, because very soon AI is going to be a necessity. Okay, a necessity, an essential for everyday living. Okay, so you guys, to get started, you want to come over to your Google and search for Google AI Studio. At the end of today's video, I'm actually going to show you an important setting that you can make use of to generate more images. Okay, I'm just going to click on that. Then it's going to bring you right to this page right here. All right, you want to click on get started. When you click on get started, you are going to see a page that looks like this. Now click on try Nanobananaai. When you click on that, I'm just going to cancel this right up. Click on plus, then click on upload file. Then it's going to ask you to sign in. Then sign in with your Gmail account for just one moment. Now I am signed in. I'm just going to click on plus, upload files. I'm going to take the video that I want to use. Acknowledge. Now I'm going to say add both images in the same location. Make it a cozy looking living room. Okay, so it's going to generate. In the meantime, if you want to monetize your YouTube channel or your TikTok or your Facebook in a short period of time in the most organic way possible, just follow this phone number or this email right here. You are going to get directed to my DM. Please, it is not cheap. Okay, this is a business. It is not cheap, it is not for free, but you are going to, it is like an investment, and you are going to make your money fast. All right, now as you can see, this is generated already. Let me just download it. So this is how you keep generating images. Okay, you have gotten your images. The next thing you want to do is to come over to this website called Lovert AI. Then you are going to see, as you can see, we have so many Nanobananaai here. If you sign in, you are going to get extra credits. Okay, you are going to get credits for free. You want to click right here and you want to say something like animate this to a 5-second video. If you want more than 5-second video, then you can just tell it any video length that you want. As you can see, I gave it the 2 images that I got from Google AI Studio. Okay, we have our video already. The next thing you want to do is to take this video to your YouTube. Okay, go and post it on YouTube, since YouTube pay its content creators. Now this is the YouTube short version. I'm just going to click on next. After that, I'm going to select a thumbnail I want to use, like this, the way it is like this. Then I'm just going to write something like, now as you can see, in just 4 hours of posting, this video already generates me 2,000 views. Okay, so now that you know how to generate your AI videos, your AI images with Nanobananaai in the easiest way possible, now I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can make money from this your faceless channel. Now the first one is through Google AdSense. That is, any ad that play in front of your video on YouTube is going to pay you. Okay, YouTube is going to pay you when you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. You will start making money, and there's a lot of money with Google AdSense. Okay, And secondly, you'll be able to make money through affiliate marketing. You can affiliate for all these companies. You can affiliate for all these AI companies, just when you meet a certain requirement, I think you have to have 500 subscribers for you to, and you have to check if your country is among those that just have to, check. But you can affiliate for any AI brands. AI brands now are AI tools now are popping out, so you can just go and make research, affiliate AI tools, like whatever AI tools that you are using. For example, Google AI Studio, you can just go and search Google AI Studio affiliates. Okay, so you'll be able to put the link in your video. You can just, say it in your video, use AI to generate it. That if you want to if you want to create a video like this, you can make use of so follow the link pinned in my comment section, and so on and so forth. So you'll be able to get your percentage. There are so many AI brands that pay creators 60%, 50%, 40% of any purchase through of any people that use that pay for AI tools through their link. So that is like a cool money. People are not much on it yet, so you need to grab it. Now, before I move to the third method that you can use to make money from your faceless AI niche, I want to let you know that if you don't start AI now, you are still going to start it later. I have a faceless YouTube channel. Everybody around me have a faceless YouTube channel. You need to have it, because very soon it's going to be a necessity. People won't be able to differentiate between AI and human being. Me that I'm talking, by next day it may actually be an AI. You won't be able to differentiate. So once you have a faceless YouTube channel now, your channel will be able to be among the first set of channel to start that your niche. Okay, and if you want to start a faceless channel, even if it's not Nanobananaai, if you don't know how to go about it, just follow the link pinned in my comment section for coaching. Coaching is not free, okay, for coaching. And I'm going to put you through everything that you need to know about starting a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Now, the third way that you need to make money from is through brand deals. Lots of AI companies are popping out, paying creators to push and promote their products. Okay, to push and promote their products, we have and there are lots of AI brands that even reached out to YouTube themselves to get creators for them. I have talked about these settings a lot on my other channel. So you can make money through brand deals. You'll be able to make cool money. You can sign up for so many UGC platforms and you'll be able to make your money. Okay, and if you're like, this is easier said than done, all these tips I am giving you guys, I have been there before. I cannot give you what I have not applied myself. Okay, now the first way that you can make money is you can sell your own products. You can sell your own course. You can teach people how to create the type of video that you are creating. You can sell prompts. You understand, you can just sell your ideas. You can sell it. If you are watching this and you are Nigeria, you can sell it on Seller. If you're in other countries, we have Clickbank. We have so many websites where you can sell your course. I have a course myself on Seller, so I am talking from experience here. So you can sell it and make your money from it. And the fifth way is you can always sell your YouTube channel. At the end of the day, you can sell your YouTube channel later. Okay, you can sell your YouTube channel later. Even if you don't want to sell it, you can give it to your kids. Like, you can partner with someone to help you to create all these videos, a social media manager to help you to create all these videos on your channel, and you'll be giving them a percentage of your earning. So there are so many ways that you can make money. You don't have any excuse. Once you have a phone and a good internet connection, you are good to go. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. I am always in my comment section. And that brings us right into the end of today's video. I don't want to leave you guys. I feel like there's a lot to talk about on this, AI, but I will be popping out with a lot of videos. So yes, I will end this video here. Like I said earlier, if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment. If you find this video valuable, just drop something nice in the comment section. Whatever it is, it will signal to the YouTube algorithm that my video actually provide value for you watching, and YouTube will be able to push it out to more audience that are looking for this type of content. And share this video to anyone that needs to see it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.